You just ran Docker build in CI. Where does that image actually go? A container registry is a centralized server that stores Docker images. When your CI pipeline finishes building, it pushes the new image to the registry. Then, when you deploy to staging or production, those environments pull that exact same image from the registry. This ensures what you tested in CI is precisely what runs in production. Registries support image tagging to version your builds. A common pattern is tagging by git commit hash, like my app:/abc1234, so you can trace which build produced which image and roll back to a known good version if needed. Registries also provide access control, so only authorized teams or environments can push or pull images. Common options include Docker Hub, Amazon ECR, Google Container Registry, GitHub Container Registry, and Azure Container Registry. A container registry stores your built images centrally, lets CI push and deployments pull, and uses tags to track every version. Like and subscribe for more Docker fundamentals. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.